Changing the phone number associated with your Outlook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Outlook website and sign into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to manage your security settings, including your phone number. Step 4. Update phone number. Under the Security Info section, find the option to add or change your phone number. Click on Edit next to your current phone number and enter the new number you wish to use. Step 5. Verify your new number. Before starting recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have followed these steps, your phone number will be successfully changed on your Outlook account. Make sure to keep your information up to date for account security and recovery options.